Hey there, welcome to another episode of Tips and Tricks by Planet Technologies. My name is Logan Kurtin. I'm a learning strategist for Planet. Today we're going to talk about that data tab inside of Excel. So we can pull things like specific details on bridges from around the United States, do research on cities, and then even pull data directly from a web page from our browser. So let's go ahead and get started. And before we do, hit this like and subscribe button to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our next tips and tricks. Let's jump right in. So I've been assigned to find details on all these bridges around the United States, and if I navigate to my data tab on the top ribbon, inside of the data types grouping, I can actually find a category called structures, and that's where I'll find all different types of data elements about these bridges. So once that loads, I'll be presented with this icon here, and I can scroll through and find the exact data that I'm looking for, like the start date, the completion date, and then the length. And from there, I'm done. All I need to do is make sure everything is formatted correctly and I can move on. So for this example, we have over 320 cities that I want to do some research on. Now, it'd be nearly impossible to go one by one, so I can select the whole list with Control-Shift down, go back to the same data tab and select cities as a category. And once that loads, I'll be able to fill in these columns the very same way, first with population, then with the median household income, the unemployment rate, and finally the crime rate. And you want to make sure, again, that you're selecting the correct data type. So my crime rate was not in percentages. That's an easy fix, and I can move on. So this is really interesting. If I wanted to import this table from the web, instead of selecting and copying this whole table with the icons and the links, I can actually go to my data tab on a clean Excel worksheet and select Get Data from Web. Now from here, all I have to do is copy and paste the URL from the web page. This is a Wikipedia page. And I'll drop it inside this box, hit OK. And here now I can select the table that I want from the web page. So I'm familiar with this table, but it actually gives you a nice preview on the right pane. So I'm going to select this table, I'll click load, and here is all of that data inside the table inside of my Excel sheet, and it's formatted as a table. Pretty easy. Hey, thanks so much for watching this episode of Tips and Tricks. Now you can use data in Excel. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye.